Hey guys, have you ever wondered why Flutter made a big switch from Skia to Impeller? In today's video, we'll dive into Skia versus Impeller and why this change is shaping the future of Flutter. Skia has been Flutter's default 2D rendering engine since the beginning. It's a mature library developed by Google, also powering Chrome, Android, and many other platforms. Skia excels at providing high-performance rendering across multiple platforms. But Skia isn't perfect for every use case, especially in the evolving landscape of modern graphics APIs like Metal and Vulkan. And this is where Impeller comes in. Flutter apps rely on platform APIs for rendering, with iOS focusing on Metal and Android embracing Vulkan. Skia often had to translate these graphic calls. This translation caused performance hiccups and occasional jank. Impeller is designed from the ground up to work directly with modern APIs, ensuring smoother rendering. This simply means that there is no more need to translate any graphic calls. Impeller uses precompiled shaders, which means your app avoids runtime shader compilation, which is a common source of dropped frames in Skia. It's tailored for efficiency on Metal and Vulkan, leveraging their strengths rather than working around them. This results into faster startup times, smoother animations, and better consistency across devices. So, what does this switch mean for you as a Flutter developer? You really don't have to change anything in your code as long as you've updated your Flutter version to Flutter 3.22 and above. Impeller is already available and Flutter undoes the switch internally. Secondly, you see performance improvement in apps with heavy graphics or animations. Games, video editors, and custom UIs will benefit the most. By switching to Impeller, Flutter is doubling down on its promise of high-performance cross-platform development. This move isn't just about better rendering, it's about future-proofing Flutter for the next decade. Are you already seeing the benefits in your Flutter apps? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Flutter content like this. And I'll see you in the next lesson guys. Bye for now.